So how to install paletools on iOS? So basically, you need to go to this website, paletools/fifa/paletools.html, and then you need to go tap on paletools iOS link where it says paletools mobile, and then just drag the link to mobile app and press it when the web app finished loading. So let's just try it out. So for example, if I have it here, so I have this paletools mobile link. I just tap and hold on it, and then I just wanted to drag it. So then you see this plus icon, and then I just drag it here, and then it starts loading. So in that, I think you just need to, so then you just need to wait when it's finished loading, and then you will just have, then it should kind of work. It's a bit still slow, and for me it's to be honest doesn't really finish loading, but if you have the better way how to use it, just leave it in the comments, but try it out.